Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And like I said in the previous video, Verizon is making improvements to the network at a very rapid pace. But since the United States landmass is so large, it's going to take time for you to see them perhaps in your area as Verizon continues to scale. So this improvement is taking place in southern Maryland. After years of coverage issues, Verizon installs new antenna at Leonard Town Fairgrounds. So ever notice the bad cell phone reception near the Leonard Town High School and St. Mary's County Fairgrounds? After years of bad coverage and reception, this past week, Verizon installed new antennas on a cell tower currently located at the St. Mary's County Fairgrounds in Leonard Town. So again, Verizon is making an improvement there. Bad coverage. Still going to take some additional time to get this site on air. Of course, there's likely some fiber that needs to be trenched. Electricity needs to be laid. I don't know the full situation of that specific cell site, but usually they still take several weeks after they install them to actually turn them on. And then there's an optimization period, so on and so forth. But Verizon is improving. There's new stuff going in the ground every day. We don't see all of it, of course, but this is another scenario where Verizon is improving immensely, and they are doing so by the thousands nationally on new sites that are being installed for further densifying, fixing coverage issues, and in some cases capacity issues. In this case, it's probably both, right? Everything now is so reliant on the internet. The fact that some of these customers are saying poor coverage, there's likely was coverage in that area, but it was maybe 1 or 2 bars, and speeds just probably weren't up to par to do and handle tasks for the everyday user. So Verizon needed to add further capacity as they move into that area with C-band and stuff. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Let me know if you spotted improvements in your area. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. Follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Live. See y'all in the next one. Peace.